Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us.
Love Kaoud rugs. The staff is wonderful and the selection of rugs and carpets is amazing. We have found both practical items as well as family treasures at Kaoud. We have used their cleaning services many times and trust them completely with even our most valuable rugs.
We want to earn your business the best way we know how by providing you with the best customer service possible. Come and see what we can do for you today. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.